Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Hairunisa. Today, I would like to present about capitalization. What is capitalization? Capitalization is writing a word with its first letter uppercase and the remaining letters in lowercase. Next is rules of capitalization. There are several rules of capitalization. First, capitalize the first word in a sentence. The first rule of capitalization is easy. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter. That's how you know where sentence began. For example, I like to reading novel and a year ago I visited London. Second is capitalize the pronoun I. Surely we are already familiar with this. The pronoun I is always capitalized, no matter where it falls in a line. For example, Uzi and I are going to the movies tomorrow. And next is proper noun. Proper noun is a specific people, place, or things will generally be capitalized. It's different with common noun. For example, a common noun will be river, while a proper noun will be the Musi River, with its first letter uppercase and the remaining letters in lowercase. For example, I went to New York City last week, and she took a vacation to Lake Toba last year. There are some categories of proper noun. First, abbreviations. An abbreviation, simply put, is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Abbreviation can take various forms like V for verb, Co company, and LTD that stands for limited. And next is names of religion and holy books. For example, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, and Al-Quran. And next is years, months, days, and holidays. When you look at the calendar, almost every word is capitalized. That's because you should always capitalize days of the week and months of the year. And holidays are also capitalized whenever you write them. For example, March, June, Wednesday, Idul-Fitri, Isra Mi'raj, and Christmas. And next is names of people. We should capitalize the names of people like Hannah, Brian, Winston, and Olivia. And next is geographic names. Capitalize all of the geographic objects on the surface of the earth, like names of cities, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, islands, and streets. For example, Palembang City, Atlantic Ocean, Musi River, Toba Lakes, Southern Oceans, the Caribbean Sea, Borneo Island, and so on. And next is title. It's crucial to remember to capitalize the titles of books, movies, TV shows, essays, and any other piece of work, like art and so on. For example, Beauty and the Beast, Harry Potter, Despicable Me, and Game of Thrones. And next is language and nationalities. For example, Indonesian, Arabian, English, Sundanese, and Javanese. And last is historical events and organization. We should capitalize the names of historical events and organizations. For example, Proclamation Independence, Roundtable Conference, World War, and United Nations. And the last part is the purpose of capitalization. The purpose of capitalization is to let the reader know a sentence is beginning, and to show the importance of different words. I think that's all about my presentation. Hopefully, my presentation will be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.